How to get a disabled Instagram account back. If you're watching this, it probably means your Instagram account has been disabled and you're wondering how to get it back. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's understand why Instagram might disable an account. This can happen for various reasons, such as violating Instagram's community guidelines, suspicious activity, or using third party apps that go against their policies. Now, if you see a message saying your account is disabled when trying to log in, don't panic just yet. Here's what you can do to get your account back. When you try to log in, Instagram show you a message with a link saying log mode or request a review. Tap on this link to start the process. Now, if you cannot find it, you can also go to your web browser and search for request a review from Instagram. Now, what you need to do is simply fill out this form. Then Instagram will review your account and decide if they want to restore it. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. After submitting your request, Instagram will send an email with the decision. If they decide to restore your account, you'll be able to log back in normally. Now, if Instagram denies your request to restore the account, you can appeal their decision and you will receive an option to appeal in the same email or through the Instagram app. Keep in mind you may need to provide additional details or evidence to support the case. Now, if you still can't get your account back, you can try reaching out to Instagram support. Uh, be sure to explain your situation clearly and politely. It's also helpful to provide any relevant evidence that shows you didn't violate any Instagram rules. Once you've submitted an appeal or contacted support, be patient. It can take some time for Instagram to respond, and they may ask for more details before making a decision. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you can have a good chance of getting your disabled Instagram back.